What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an all-new episode of Shampoo Search featuring the new cleansers from Samson's. Alright, once again, welcome back to Shampoo Search. We are looking today at the new shampoo and conditioner from the Samson's hair care brand. And I'm super excited to get a look at these as I recently got to meet with Adam from this brand and hear all about the work that actually went into this. And what they present here first is a shampoo that they say is a true daily use shampoo for those who need it. They also explain on their site that they designed it to be strong enough to take out high-holding hair products while being gentle enough for daily use. They also say it's made for skin and color-safe pH levels with EU-safe ingredients, and it sells for $20 US for a 12-ounce bottle. Next, though, we have its counterpart, the conditioner, and they explain on their site that obviously this is the perfect counterpart to the shampoo we just talked about. It's designed to be used daily for anyone with an active lifestyle and will leave your hair feeling soft and nourished and ready to achieve that killer hairstyle. This one, too, sells for $20 US for 12 ounces of product. Looking back at the shampoo now inside the bottle here, it's a pretty typical looking shampoo. No extra toes or fingers going on there, nothing crazy. It's pretty typical in sight and feeling, in my opinion. The conditioner also looks pretty typical to me, but when you get it in the hand, this one has something specific going on right away. It's just got this very specific, nourishing feeling that I was able to identify right away as shea butter. As soon as I felt it in my hand, I said to myself, I bet that's shea butter. I bet not only is that shea butter, but it's high up on their ingredient list. And sure enough, there it is right there on the list. And I was able to pick that out because this has this just huge, nourishing, and silky presence that is really only specific to that awesome ingredient known as shea butter. I can already tell you that at least the conditioner is going to work really well. I can tell that simply by how moisturized my hands are just from touching the stuff. First, though, we do need to check out the shampoo, so let's put that to work and check it out here. I'm starting with dirty hair, obviously, that has some sweat and oils going on my head there from doing some work outside, having some product in there for a couple of days. Things are just a mess, but this is perfect for a shampoo test. And as I wet my hair down and start adding in some of the shampoo, I can feel it doing its thing, breaking things up in there. But as you can see, it's not foaming very much, which really isn't a huge deal. I've had shampoos that do this, that don't foam as much, and they still work just fine. But some people think if it's not foaming, it's not cleaning. But let's take a closer look and see how it does here. After moving around the shampoo for a bit, I'm gonna just rinse it out and give you a look at what my hair looks like blow dried with just the shampoo. You can see here that it looks clean. It looks much better. There's nothing left over from what was there before, so that's obviously a good thing. I do think that by itself, the shampoo doesn't add as much body to the hair as I've seen with others, but I will give you a little spoiler alert that we will be able to fix that issue with the addition of the conditioner, which we're going to add in right now. Let's go back in and reset the hair. This is what I was really excited for as I, felt it in my hands and got all excited a second ago with that shea butter goodness. And let me tell you what, I was not disappointed. As soon as this stuff hit my hair, it was just a blanket of nourishment. You can feel it immediately. I mean, it was just so satisfying as it laid over my hair and just made it so soft. And after letting it sit there for a few minutes as usual, I rinsed it out and dried it all over again, and this was the final result. And you can see for yourself that it looks extremely soft. It's nice and full looking. It brings out some of the natural attributes of my hair. It's not weighing it down or adding in any lasting oiliness. It's just adding a lot of body there. It's got a lot of glow. It's got a lot of thickness, actually. There's like a thickening effect going on there, which I really wasn't expecting. So that was, a nice little Bob Ross happy accident. Now, after testing both of these out, putting them through the paces several times actually, the conclusion that I have come to is that these are very well made. It's obvious to me that they really put in a lot of time and effort into making these from the ground up. I was actually able to confirm this during my meeting with them, that they're not using a base or anything like that. These are made from scratch, which I can tell you from experience is not very easy to do. So making it from scratch and making one that works like this is no small feat, in my opinion. I think the shampoo works very well on its own. It cleanses easily and doesn't fall short with different products or super messy hat hair days in my case, but it also doesn't make your hair feel fried or dead after using it, even if you use it every day like I did while testing it. I know some people have a concern with using shampoos every day, but I used this every day since it arrived. So it was several days of testing, and it didn't make my hair feel bad or look bad, look fried, dry. It looked fine. Everything looked absolutely normal. minimal, which is great. I will say though that the conditioner played a huge part in that, I think, because as I stated, the shampoo didn't really add in as much body. That might be my little piece of criticism, if you even want to call it criticism, because I still think it works great. But that conditioner was a huge part in the end result, because really it just changes the dynamic completely. I mean, it starts with a blanket of warm nourishment heaven, and then in the hand it feels like a lotion of sorts, or like a shea butter cream. And when you're done, you're not only going to have smooth hands, but you're going to have a thickening effect going on, as evidenced in my hair too. All of which I think sets things up very nicely for styling, and I would have to agree that this would make an excellent choice for anyone looking for a great cleanser made with awesome skill and maximum efficiency. I mean, all I can tell you is that this is a great set, and it will do the job if you're looking for a killer shampoo that has some great healthy ingredients and still works. In the end though, it is up to you to decide if you think that this product sounds right for you and your hair and your goals. And if you decide you want to check this out, a link will be in the description as usual for you to check out this line for yourself. That is it though for this episode of Shampoo Search. Thank you so much for checking out this cleansing set with me. If you enjoyed what you saw here, let me know in the comments section down below and by hitting that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, that subscribe button there is the easiest way to help you do that and support the channel. Thank you so much in advance for doing that. That's a huge help to me. I really appreciate that. And as always, you take it easy. I'll see you next time.